Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're excited to announce our new ABS plastic glove box liner for the 73 to 79 trucks and the 78 and 79 Broncos. Original glove box liners were made from heavy cardboard and held together with staples. While effective, these liners were not the most durable. They were subject to warping and damage from water. Your vehicle's glove box liner might even be missing. Dennis Carpenters has created a brand new tooling to create an ABS plastic injection molded liner that is far superior to the original cardboard liners. These liners are more durable and will last longer than a cardboard liner. All the mounting holes and cutouts are pre-drilled for a hassle-free installation. We include 6 clips and 6 screws to mount the liner to your vehicle, although some vehicles only require 4. So if your 73 to 79 truck or 78 to 79 Bronco has a damaged or missing glove box liner, give it an instant upgrade with one of our new ABS plastic liners. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.